Hey, it's Leanne here. I'm going to show you how to clean silver. Silver is one of these things that you'll come across in vintage shops. Sometimes it'll be silver plated or it'll actually be made of silver, and you'll see like a little mark there, a maker's mark on the silver items. So these things are, when you come across them, they may be really dirty and they won't look all shimmering and shining like that. They might be more like this. So this is a mug that I got when I was born, and it has my name on it, and it over the years, as it gets exposed just to air, it changes color. That's what silver does. And so you do need to clean it. Over you know, my lifetime, I've used all kinds of cleaners. I've used like Silvo to clean it, but I think these days we're more concerned with our health, and if we want to continue using these things, we can do other natural methods. So I'm just going to show you a quick method that you can use that has made these spoons look the way they are, which is shimmering shiny. And so I've added the aluminium foil to the base of the pot. I've added some bicarbonate soda, and I've boiled some water in the kettle and placed my item, and now I'm ready to go. There you have it. So it's done a pretty good job. I'm just letting it drain, and now I'm just going to wash it off. So now I'm just going to clean it down with a cloth. And there you have it. It's pretty amazing. It says not to use this method on silver plated items, and this is silver plated, I believe, and it seems to have worked quite well. So I won't do it often, but it's just a nice alternative to having, instead of using Silvo, and these come up pretty good as well. Hope you like it. Bye.